You are going to love the 2018 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, power brakes, braking assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.